Good Wednesday evening, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Justin Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about the forecast for your Wednesday evening as this guy just decides to just pass by the camera. Okay. If you cannot tell already, this is College of Charleston Cougar Mall. I decided to pull out another webcam today. I did Somerville like a couple of weeks ago, and now we are here with the College of Charleston, a camera that I pulled from them near Cougar Mall. I know, obviously, people that have went to College of Charleston, they might remember what this is. And let's just go ahead and get straight into the forecast. But I mean, as you can see, looks nice. Maybe just a little breeze or two down there, but I mean, overall, nice down there. Let's go ahead and move on to the current radar conditions right now. As you can see, we do have, again, just some flood warnings and some flood advisories, mainly for those rivers, those creeks and streams and places like that. But overall, nice conditions. No rain is falling right now throughout all of South Carolina. So that is a great thing to hear. And let's go ahead and move out toward the entire United States. You might look out and you might be like, okay, well, what the world is going on? Well, this is going on. As you can see, we have severe storms right now moving through this entire region right here. This is bringing like severe weather to places like Kansas City. We did have a huge tornado down there inside of Kansas as well. St. Louis is getting some. Places like that. You have some severe weather just northeast of Oklahoma City, and some showers near Chicago, right over here, Nebraska, Iowa, some rain up here in southern northeast, and some snow inside of the Rocky Mountains. And that's pretty much going on. That's pretty much what is going on inside the entire United States right now. Let's go ahead and move on to our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now is looking to be okay. We do have some clouds near the coast, near Georgetown kind of region. Mainly just south of Georgetown. You can kind of see like some lights right north of the clouds. So I'm guessing that's Georgetown. The east of Myrtle Beach, we have clouds, and everywhere else it is nice and clear. So it's going to be a really nice night tonight. Temperature wise, those temperatures are going to be around 53 right now inside of Greenville, Columbia. And then 55 Charleston, Moncks Corner, Walterboro. 57 Myrtle Beach, Georgetown. 55 Loris. 55 Florence, Sumter. 53 Augusta. 53 Rock Hill. 55 Bennettsville. And that's what we're seeing for South Carolina right now for our current temperatures. Minimum temperatures for South Carolina are around 45 near the Greenville, Spartanburg region, 44 near Anderson, 45 near Columbia, 45 near Sumter, 46 near Florence, 53 near Myrtle Beach, 56 near Charleston, 46 near Augusta. Going ahead and moving on to our max wind gusts for the next 24 hours. Max wind gusts get to around, I'd say around a good 14 mile per hour, 13, 14 mile per hour wind gusts throughout mainly the upstate and the coastal regions. Everyone else, no wind gust is expected. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. And then overall, we're not watching for too much stuff. We are watching for some potential thunderstorms to come through the region on Friday. And that's all we're watching for. Usually, I would talk about what's going on throughout the entire U.S., but I just decided I just had a change and just was like, this is South Carolina weather. This is not U.S. weather. It'll be U.S. weather eventually, but it's South Carolina weather right now. So let's not talk too much about everyone else. Let's just talk about us. So I just decided we're not really going to be talking about the entire United States anymore. We'll talk about current conditions throughout the United States like we did at the beginning of this video. But when it comes to SPC outlooks, Weather Prediction Center outlooks, I just think we should really focus on South Carolina only, because that's just what this channel is about. Y'all did not come here to see what's going to happen inside of New York City. So I just had a little change and just decided let's just keep it to South Carolina, and hopefully y'all like that. The videos will be shorter, so if you have any things to get to, the videos will be shorter than usual. Already, the video's already like 5 minutes, and if we would have done the things that I would have originally done, the video would be way, way, way longer. So, overall, some thunderstorms can impact the region on Friday, and then the coast can pretty much be counted out really for thunderstorms, but that's just what we're watching for. Definitely conducive. This would be another example, except for I just forgot to set this one. But obviously, slight risk of excessive rainfall for Missouri. Um, Nothing for day 2, according to this. I think there is a slight risk down inside the deep south, and then day 3, another slight risk inside the south central and Dixie Alley, as well as a marginal risk as well. Obviously nothing for winter, so we're gonna go ahead and skip out on that, and let's go ahead and talk about the future. Okay, so if we push this forward, as you can see, those showers and those storms could potentially be impacting us on March the 16th, which is Friday. And that's going to get out of our hair. We're going to be dominated by a high pressure March the 20th. And then look at this. I mean, we have a absolute humongous system that's going to come through South Carolina and potentially cause some flooding concerns on the 22nd. And then once we push that forward, we have this huge system right here. Definitely going to have to watch for severe weather for places like Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. And that's going to be out of our hair. And then this is 300 hours out, so this is way too far out. But shows another system right here, potentially producing some very gusty winds if this does turn out to be, possibly even damaging winds if this turns out to be. But we're just going to have to wait and see. This will stay normal, though, where we talk about the future. The reason why I like showing the entire United States is because it shows you really how the systems start off, and then, like right now, it shows you how the systems start off, and then once you push it forward, it moves all the way to the east, and it just shows you how the weather progresses inside the U.S. So that's why this won't be changing, and the current conditions after you get it won't be changing either. So those are the only two things that won't be changing. Everything else that was not originally just South Carolina is going to be now moved to South Carolina. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I have to say. Gonna be very, 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 very quiet. Already 8 minutes in, so yeah. Gonna be very quiet. Gonna have a nice next couple of days. Friday, we're gonna have to watch again for those rain chances to start increasing. And that's gonna be about it. So, thank you all so much for watching this forecast update. If you guys have any suggestions on anything that I should improve or anything that I should do, please let me know, because I know you can comment it as well. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, please, because without that, you may never see me again. Or unless somebody sends you my link. You may never see me again. You might click on it and you're like, okay, this dude sounds cool. And then you might forget to subscribe, and then you just never find me again. Also, it helps me out. We're trying to get to... We have a goal set on this channel. Obviously, we've hit 25 subscribers in like a month. So, that was cool. Next milestone is 50. We're trying to get to 50. I think that we can do it. So, yeah, that's going to be about it. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow morning with another forecast update.